Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, we have sound turn it on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And here we have the sound, so by just one tap we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turn it off, and when I take a picture, we can't hear now the sound. Of course, when we tap to the right corner once again and to this button, we can turn it on again, so we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.